My intuition is telling me that.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So even though the backdrop may look the same, I have moved into a new apartment. Yay! I don't have anything unboxed, but I got both my Boxyluxe boxes literally the day I moved. So I just opened about 10 different boxes looking for a phone holder to put on my light so that I could film this. I don't have a microphone, so I'm just gonna have to talk really loud, but I have two Boxyluxe boxes that I'm going to be unboxing and comparing, and fingers crossed I don't get many duplicates. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Boxyluxe for March, then keep on watching. All right, so Boxyluxe is every 3 months. It's $49.95, and with tax I think it's like $54, but it is definitely worth that price. So let's open up box number 1. And it's typically in a black box, but this is like St. Patrick's Day theme, I'm assuming. Boxycharm Lucky is the theme. So let's get into it. I think I did choose products, and I was really disappointed because they had the Fenty foundation on there as a choice. Unfortunately, that foundation is my skin's too dry for it. It's too matte for my dry skin. I wanted to be able to pick a full-size foundation, but I know that foundation doesn't work for me. So let's see what I chose instead. I don't remember. But the first thing is this Be Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette. I really like the lashes in the front. It is very cute. This retails for $50. I've not heard of this brand before. Oh wow, this has a lot of shimmer shades. It only has only a few mattes, which I'm down for it because I have plenty of matte shades I can use. All the shadow names are named after guys. Hugh, Lewis, oh wait, there's Andrea, that's a girl. Luca, Eddie, Donnie, Oliver, Brad, Jason, Dean, well, maybe Andrea is a guy's name because all the other ones are guys. Nick, Pablo, Ryan. Ryan was my high school boyfriend's name. Okay. Ooh. I'm really excited for what I just saw next. This Pure Precious Metals Facial Oil. Shimmering dry oil. This retails for $28. Ooh, it really is shimmering. I'm not like, even though I have dry skin, I'm not the biggest oil fan. All right, let's see how much of a shimmer this gives. It's actually not very, like, I don't see the shimmer at all. It just kind of gives it a nice healthy glow. Okay, I don't know if I said that, but it's $28. All right, next we have okay, I'm intrigued. This Eloise Beauty Rose Gold Teardrop Brush. The mini teardrop brush is the first ever brush to be made in its style. With thousands of soft synthetic fibers in each vegan-friendly and cruelty-free brush, you're guaranteed remarkable results. Oh my gosh, oh, I love rose gold too. What is this? Okay, the mini teardrop brush can be used for all base applications, making this revolutionary brush an absolute essential for any cosmetic enthusiast collection. Oh my gosh, it is, that is so interesting. You know what it reminds me of? what movie was, oh my gosh, this is so soft. What movie was that? With Charlize Theron, and she's like a new mom, but anyway, she's like brushing her kid's skin. But that's what it reminds me of. But this is so freaking cool. I'm really excited to try this. I hope it works. Retails for $45. Wow. Okay, next we have, okay, this Soleil Hair Tools mini heat brush. So the mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-up. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry around with you everywhere. So this retails for $150. I don't know about you, but I would not pay $150 for a straightening brush. Luckily for me, I got it in my Boxycharm. So I do really want to try this, but I have my hair in a braid right now. I'm gonna wait till I'm done unboxing everything, and then I'll do a demo of this. This Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. 6 makeup sponges. What? I don't want to undo the packaging because it's so cute, but I guess I need to. There we go. Let's see what these sponges look like. Blending eggs. How cute. Oh, wow. 6 of them. Holy. Oh, and they legit look like beauty blenders. Like the same shape, the same consistency, everything. Like normally when you buy like the blending sponges that look like the beauty blender, they're really hard and they don't apply the same as a beauty blender. But these are very soft, and you get 6 of them for $18. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, this Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. So I got this in Crush. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna like this. This retails for $18 as well. Oh, how cool. It's kind of like a diagonal, like a slanted angle brush. Or, yeah, or lip liner. How cool is that? Oh, that's such a beautiful nude color. I actually want to try it out. Oh, wow. That's super creamy, really easy to apply. The slanted applicator makes it really easy to apply. It gives you a very nice, precise application. Where's my lid? And then I'm going to add some more of my Buxom Hot Toddy. Okay, and the last product flew across the room, so hold on. Okay, it is this Royale Beauty Vitamin C Facial Sheet Masks. A radiance enhancing face mask that visibly brightens and revitalizes the look of your skin. Okay. I have so many sheet masks, it's not even funny, but I like the fact that it's a brighten and glow. So maybe I'll try these out. Okay, my thoughts. Overall, I'm really, really happy with this box. I am so excited about the Glow Recipe Serum, the Beauty Bakery eggs. I'm really intrigued to try that rose gold brush. The Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, I love. I don't know how to feel about this Precious Metals oil yet, or the heat brush, but yeah, I'm gonna come back to that. Okay, now let's get into the second Boxyluxe box. The first product is another Be Beauty Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Then we also have another Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Duplicates. This is why I am no longer getting 2 boxes. Alright, next is this Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Glow. A custom pre-blended serum especially designed to revive the look of dull and aging skin for a youthful complexion with an enviable glow. I have tried this before and I really, really do like it. Okay, and this retails for $65. So next we have another Eloise Beauty Rose Gold Teardrop Brush, which retails for $45. Then we have, this G by Gennaro Brush Crush Makeup Brush Holder. Oh, how cute. So on this side it says G for Geronimo, but then on this side it has face, eyes, lips. I really like that. I should make one like that. I made this one, which is like almost exactly like the same shape. And then I also made this one. So those are available on my Etsy shop. This retails for $34. Next, we have another set of the Beauty Bakery, what are they called? Blending egg sponges. We also have another Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner, and it's in the same shade, Crush. And then we have, lastly, this AM&H Skincare Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask. Okay, so this 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will, oh, it has stars in it, will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. So this retails for $42. Let me, of course I don't have any makeup wipes, because I don't have anything, because that's all in boxes. Apply an even amount of mask to makeup-free lips for 3 to 5 minutes. Wash off lip mask with water. It's very glittery. I don't know if you can see. Let me put some on my hand. Okay, so while I'm waiting 3 to 5 minutes, let me add some more. It definitely has a slight tingling sensation, nothing too crazy though. All right, let's try this straightening brush. I'm just gonna try a small portion of my hair. Let me turn it on. So it just has a red light that comes on. I'm assuming it's gonna turn green when it's done. I'm gonna take this lip mask off. I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like any bit of difference on my lips. Okay, this is still red, so I don't think it's gonna turn green. So I'm just gonna go in and try. I have naturally wavy hair. So this would be nice when I don't want to straighten it, but I want to get some of the waves out. I think it's doing a fair job. I mean, I'm not expecting it to work as well as a straightener, but it's definitely getting out some of the waves because I had it braided, so it should be a lot more wavy than this. Okay, I'll have to play around with it some more. It'll probably just be faster to straighten it, but alright, so got a lot of duplicates. I'm really glad I got the Skin Ink serum though, and not too thrilled about this lip mask, but other than that, everything else was good. Alright guys, so those are both of my Boxyluxe boxes. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.